Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Ducati Monster Plus. This is 937 cc's of L-twin fuel-injected power. Beautiful showroom condition, only 3,950 miles on this gorgeous monster. Brembo brakes, fender eliminator, really cool exhaust styling. This bike is ready to make your Ducati Monster dreams come true. Oh yeah, it's got the frame sliders, a little bit of a mini windscreen. Come on by and make your monster dreams come true with this beautiful 22 for only $99.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.